Hello friends, we are here to make the simplest card you may have ever seen, but the cutest. Simple and cute, which is one of my favorite combos. So today we're going to use these, they're called Memories and More cards. And if you remember, our Memories and More line of products is made to make these pocket scrapbooks, and you can stick the well, hello Barb, you can stick your photos in, and then these little 4x3 cards in the little pockets. And like you can see, my daughter made this cute scrapbook, and you can throw a scrapbook together in a flash with these cards, because they either come in a 3x4 or a 4x6 size, and they're double-sided. Okay, and there are so many cards to a pack. Now, each card has a double. So there are 50 total double-sided cards. And when I say each card has a double, like if you see a card, I'm trying to find an example, like there's 2 of each of this one card, okay? So any card that you have, if you like it, there's going to be 2 of that exact same card. They're either 3x4 or they're 4x6. So when you're making a greeting card, you're going to trim down those 4x6 cards a smidge. So I'll show you about that. Let me see what's on the back of that. Okay, so let's just get started. We are going to start with a thick white base, because that's that will hold up to folding and moving around. So we love our thick white. And then we're going to use a Memories and More card. Now I chose this one that, let me see if I can find it. What was that one? It was a multicolor star card. It was big. Let me look here. I've covered up my whole table here. Well, let's just find a different one. So this one I've used, the back of it looks like this. It's got multicolored stars, but I'm going to find this and use this one. So I've got to cut this down to so it's 4x6. So you're going to cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4, if that makes any sense. So it'll fit on a standard card base. We're going to do that. That's going to go here. All right, so super cute. And now we're going to find a smaller card that's got a lot going on. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, this is good. I wanted one that was like a little bit more monochromatic than the others, since we've got so much going on with those. Oh, that's cute. I like that better. Okay. So now this card is 3x4. So what we're going to do is leave it like it is. And then I'm going to cut a little piece of Lemon Lime Twist cardstock by 3 3/8 by 4 3/8. Well, is it 3/8? No, 3/16. So 3 little hash marks after the 3, and then 4 little hash marks. 3 little hash marks after the 4. So just shy of 3 1/4 and just shy of 4 1/4. Get this chair's touching the table, so it's shaking. All right, can't have that. Alrighty, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick our card down on a card like so. Now I'm gonna use one of these 3 colors, so let's lay them all down and see which one we like. So this is our triple combo pack of ribbon. It comes in Lemon Lolly, Azure Afternoon, and Bubble Bath. But I like the Azure Afternoon because we have so much going on already with color that I think I'm going to go with that blue that is already happening on the card. So we're going to come over here. Now, you can see there is no stamping on this card, okay? And I know that's counterintuitive to what I do, but I love an easy peasy card, okay? And I love bright colors, and I'll show you that these little cards cover more than just birthdays. So they cover congratulations and celebrate, you can do it, you did it, yay you. So there's lots of different cards in the pack. So one of my favorite things to do, which I'll be doing in a week, is I'm going to be offering a class called 10 Cards, No Stamping. All right. And the link to join that, to purchase that class, is right here in this post. And we're going to be making 10 cards with these Memories and More cards. All right. Quick and easy, no stamping. So I love that. But you can see, you can just pop together little cards in a flash. I'll show you some of the cards that I'm working on for the class. They're not fully finished yet, but you can see we've got an Enjoy Today. We've got a Happy Birthday. But we've also got So Thrilled for You. We've got Yay You. Cheers to You. So you're going to have a lot of different types of cards. They're not just going to be all birthday or all congratulations. So you've got lots of cute things. Oh, that's so cute. That would make the cutest card as well. One thing you'll to know about these Memories and More packs is they also come with a pack of stickers which coordinate, of course, and there are 2 sheets of stickers per sticker sheet, and then there's 2 designs, so 4 total sticker sheets. I'm only seeing 2 here in front of me. I guess I've buried the other 2, but so you can then take these little stickers and decorate your project. So we've already got quite a bit going on here. So I think what I'm going to do is just make one of these stickers pop up. So you could just stick it down, but I want it to give a little dimension. So I'm going to put some dimensionals on it. And you can use it almost like, so it's like a die cut basically. And that just gives the card a little visual interest. So I love that. Let's party. All right. So you can see, makes it a little bit more interesting with that little 3D balloon there. And really that's it. You could probably sit down with a pack of these Memories and More cards, which you'll get when you take the class. And I'll have the instructions for how to put them all together. You'll have some ribbon and some embellishments. You can see these embellishments. Oh, here's the other stickers. There's the other sheet of stickers. So you've got Way to Go, Good Times, some rainbows, and then here you've got some thanks. Makes me happy. And then we're going to use these embellishments that go really well with it. And honestly, on this card, there's already so much going on. I think what I'll probably do is just put 3 little nugs down here. It's one of my favorite things to do. Just 1, 2. Just gives it a little pop. 3. So just 3 little things down there. It just gives it a little more dimension there. You like the yellow. I like the yellow too. You could do it either way. The yellow would really pop, Barb, for sure. So anyway, I hope, hello Terry Davis. It's so good to see you. I hope that you'll participate in my 10 Cards No Stamping class. And remember, right now, Stampin' Up! Has a great deal going. When you spend if you spend $99 on Stampin' Up! Materials, you get 155 when you do a starter kit, okay? So, and there's no shipping. So go ahead and get that new catalog out and get your list going. If you haven't got all the colors, if you haven't got all the new blends, if you haven't gotten all the new goodies, then this is the best deal for you. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you is our swaps from our team gathering this weekend. Now, I will say my favorite thing about the starter kit is getting a discount. But a lot of my customers, their favorite thing is doing swaps with our team. Some people are able to attend and many are not. If they don't attend, they just send them and we swap them and send them back. So this is one of the favorite things. And you can see a lot of variety in what people make on our group, which is so fun. So we had 20 swaps this month, which means you make 20 of the same card. Well, in our case, we had 2 groups, so 10 of each card, but if you want to participate in both groups, you could. So in the end, you could get a total of 20 cards. So cool. I only participated in 1 swap, but we had a total of 20. So all these gorgeous cards, and I love it because it draws my attention to things that I don't have yet. Now, there is a suite of products that has the balloons in it called Bright and Beautiful. So that's what inspired these Memories and More cards. So there's also a whole stamp set that goes with it if you want to add some stamping and things onto your projects. So I'd love for you to join our team and join us in swapping and get all those fun cards every month. And it's the best deal right now because you can get 155 for $99, no shipping. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.